Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby and I am the owner of Bimtesi Clothing, and today I'll be showing you how I made these pillowcases, and I actually made 4 of them. A client reached out to me and she wanted to know if I can use this old curtain to make some pillowcases because she loved the cotton so much she didn't want to throw it out, so she wanted to make use of it. So now here I'm trying to cut out the pieces that I'm going to be using for the pillowcases. So I need 2 pieces. Here I'm folding the sides because of the shape this curtain is. It's like an A-line shape, so I'm trying to measure out. First of all, I measured the pillow and I got 28. So I measured out 29 inches for the breadth and width, and I'm trying to cut out the sides to be able to join them to the top, as you can see. So here is cutting out the pieces that I need to join at the top. It's very easy. It's no big deal, you know. It's just being creative and being active, doing some stuff. So after cutting out these pieces, I added it to the top, and I'll cutting out what I don't need. I'll be trashing that. I don't need that. And I'll be going to my machine now to sew those pieces to the big ones. So here, what you'll do is, you see the slant area is where you add to the sides, or no, the straight side is the one you'll be adding, you'll be sewing to the large size. And you put them together and you get what you need. Okay, and this is it. So I'm going to be sewing the sides together. So I'm cutting off the side, the ones that I don't need. So now we are done, and it's very easy. I told you. So if you have something, you know, an old fabric or curtain or bed sheet that you don't need, you can as well, you know, make a pillowcase out of it to beautify your home, your sitting area, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and you can please subscribe to Bimtesi Abby on YouTube, Bimtesi Abby on Facebook, and Bimtesi Clothing on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye.